2 hours. That's all we need to teach you how to confidently attract the women that you really want. And I'm totally serious. We know what it takes to get you many more dates and a beautiful, loving, high-quality girlfriend fast. Hi, I'm Jackie. I've been a female trainer with Social Coach since 2014. If you can't confidently meet and rapidly build connections with women that you're actually attracted to, it leaves you either lonely or worse, settling for relationships with women that you're not actually that satisfied with. And women can usually sense this and might start to get quite mean with you. But the problem is that most of the advice that you've been given to try and fix it is probably actually making you much worse. You've been trying dating apps or silly pickup artist techniques and they're just getting you rejected. Or you're working really hard on your career and then spending big money on dates, on your looks, on cars, on alcohol, and it's getting you nowhere. Well, all you need is 2 hours with us and we can help you become that smooth, confident man you've always wanted to be without all that stuff. We know this because since 2006, we've helped thousands of men in person at our live workshops and millions more online, many of whom went straight out afterwards and lined up multiple dates or even got lucky in the days following our training. Let's be clear, this 2-hour workshop is not a bunch of silly pickup lines or rehashed self-help techniques. It walks you through an advanced social skills training system taught to you by our beautiful female trainers to give you the correct touch, eye contact, body language, and most importantly, conversation skills so that you can easily meet and attract a beautiful, loving, high-quality girlfriend. So all you need to do is click the button around this video to learn more about the event and grab your spot, and I look forward to seeing you there.